Very namaskar, my dear students and friends. How are you? I hope you are thoroughly studying physics and whatever you have planned in your life in science, particularly, you are taking one step regularly to reach at the accessibility of your cherished dream. Okay, friends, today we will discuss one of the fundamental question of physics 11th class first introductory units question, and the question is very simple. The question is, though woman has excelled in every field, and if equal opportunity given to her, she is excelled in every field, but despite this, some people has this unscientific view that she is not as per excellent with men if we compare, and give you scientific arguments in order to demolish such kind of belief that is published, I think, in the society, especially in third world and a little bit in the developing countries, and none one, I think, is a equal opportunity, particularly in developed one. Though Constitution of India and respective constitution, world constitution also give the equal opportunity to women and equal status, but despite this, people are not somewhere is not accepting this. So being a scientist or being a science student, you have to demolish such kind of idea, notion or a belief. The question is, as I told, very simple. Though law gives women equal opportunity or equal status in India, many people hold unscientific views on a woman's innate nature and capacity and intelligence, and in practice give them a secondary status and role. Demolish this view using scientific arguments and by quoting examples of great women in science and other spheres, and persuade yourself and others that given equal opportunity, women are on par with men. This is the question, and I hope you understand. Now I would like to enumerate and give example one by one, and give the scientific argument on this question. The first of all, Indian, because the question is framed on Indian pretext, so that's why I'm quoting Indian Constitution particularly. According to Indian Constitution, under Article 14, 15 and 16 give the equal opportunity to every citizen. Article 39 part 1st and 2nd also give the conducive condition protection as well as the equal pay for equal work, men and women. Article 42 also give the conducive atmosphere for women and give the maternity leave for women. Article 51AE denounces the any derogatory remarks on women. Article 243 3D and 3T emphasize 1/3 reservation for women in Panchayati Raj as well as municipalities, and Article 343 D4 T4 states that in the presidency or in the chairmanship of the municipality and Panchayati Raj, 1/3 reservation should be given to women. This status is given on par with equality, and governments, the framers of constitution, give this opportunity to women to excel in every sphere equal to men. As long as the question no concern, there is a some dogma in the society, you can see that there is a belief or a superstition kind of thing. Women are not equal to men just because she is soft and etc. But I think if the equal opportunity given to her, then women, I think, obviously are par with men. Now the question of development of mind particularly. Development mind depends on the nutrition content during the prenatal and postnatal diet of any baby, and after that how much you can say that care you give your baby, and the use of mind of that particular baby. As long as genome coding is concerned, we know that 99.9% genetic codes are similar of man and woman. And next, if we enumerate the certain names who have excelled in every field, particularly belong to woman sex, female sex particularly. Take the example of Madame Curie. She got Nobel Prize in Physics, one of the toughest subjects, I think, in the world. Second, take the example of Mother Teresa. She was a saint, and she worked for the betterment of downtrodden people throughout her life. She devoted her whole life for this cause. Take the example of great businesswomen nowadays. Take example of great politicians. Let's start from Mrs. Indira Gandhi. She worked a lot and worked for give the equal opportunity or equal status of women in the world in UNO. Take the example of Margaret Thatcher. She worked wonderfully, I think, in the Europe. And the third one, Bandhan Naike, the first Prime Minister first woman Prime Minister in the world. She belonged to Sri Lanka, and she got Prime Ministership, I think, 3 times from 1960 to 65, 97 to 77, and in the last 95 to 2000. And in sports, you find that women excelled everywhere. Now Prime Minister announced in the 75th Independence Day, girls are allowed to enroll in Sainik schools. In other defense academies also women are excelled. Few years back, in the, I think, the very common news, you find that one girl from Kathua, she became the fighter pilot, I think, in Army. In every sphere you find that there is a excellent examples when women are doing excelled and excellent when she got the equal opportunity. Country like third world, take example of Afghanistan, where there is no equal opportunity, then we can't say that, because this is, I think, murder of equality, whatever article I told you. And I heard a news from Pakistan. One girl, I don't mention the name because of her privacy, she was molested by more than 400 people and tried to rape her. This is ridiculous. And when such kind of a notion and thinking you have, then you cannot say that, okay? You should give a respect to women, because the cause of your birth on this surface of birth is a woman. We are very lucky because we born in India, and in India women are worshipped as a goddesses. And somebody told, have anybody seen the God? Then the reply is a very beautiful one. God has given its a replica on the surface of earth as a mother. It means mother is a god, and mother is everything for everybody. So guys, this is the as simple scientific explanation regarding the equal opportunity, transform women as par with men, or I think more than a man. Take the example of other results of 11, 12 classes or 10 classes. Women excelled, girls students excelled, I think, even civil services. So thank you for watching, and it's my request, subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload new videos, and share my video in order to give the accessibility of this video to everybody on the surface of earth. Take very good care, Shrizar. Good night. Thank you.